Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. Given we have the gx, which is equals to ln bracket 1 minus x over 1 plus x, shows that we have the gx plus with the gy, which is equals to, we have the ln bracket 1 minus x over 1 plus with the x, plus ln bracket 1 minus y over 1 plus y. So by referring to the situation, here we have the ln m plus with the ln n, which is equals to ln mn. So can I combine the situation? We have the ln bracket 1 minus x over 1 plus with the x multiply 1 minus y over 1 plus with the y. So equals to ln bracket, can I expand the situation? We have 1 minus the y minus the x plus with the xy over 1 plus with the y plus with the x plus with the xy. So kindly rearrange the situation. We have the ln bracket. So notice that we have 1 plus with the xy minus, we have the situation x plus with the y over 1 plus with the xy plus we have x plus with the y. So kindly simplify the situation. So we have the ln bracket 1 plus with the xy divided by 1 plus with the xy minus we have x plus with the y over 1 plus with the xy over 1 plus with the xy over 1 plus with the xy plus we have x plus with the y over 1 plus with the xy. So kindly simplify, we have the ln bracket 1 minus we have the x plus with the y over 1 plus with the xy over we have the 1 plus we have x plus y over 1 plus with the xy. So that is the situation for gx plus with the gy. Continue. Focus on the right hand side where we have the g bracket x plus with the y over 1 plus with the xy. So meaning that what we have to do is to substitute the situation into the what we have ln bracket, we have 1 minus the x would be x plus with the y over 1 plus with the xy over we have 1 plus again x plus with the y over 1 plus with the xy. So if we reverse this part, notice that we're having the same situation. Then we can write that gx plus with the gy, which is equals to g bracket x plus with the y over 1 plus with the xy. So we already shown the situation. Next, given that we have the situation fx where we have ax plus with the 3 over x minus the b. So find the value a and b if we have the situation f2 which is equals to 7. So 7 will be equals to 2a plus with the 3 over we have 2 minus the b. Kindly cross multiply the situation and we have 14 minus 7b which is equals to 2a plus with the 3. Rewrite the situation 2a plus with the 7b which is equals to 11. So that is the first equation. Next, we have the situation in here f inverse bracket 1 which is equals to negative 4. So let y is equals to fx. F inverse of y which is equals to x. So y is equals to ax plus with the 3 over x minus the b. So we have xy minus the yb equals to ax plus with the 3. Rewrite the situation. So here we will have xy minus the ax which is equals to 3 plus with the yb. Kindly factor out the x. So where we have y minus a which is equals to 3 plus with the yb. So x will be equals to 3 plus with the yb over y minus the a. Continue. F inverse of the y where we have 3 plus with the yb over y minus the a. So f inverse of the 1 which is equals to negative 4. So kindly cross multiply the situation. So we will have 3 plus with the y where we have b which is equals to negative 4 bracket we have the y which is equals to 1 minus the a. So finally we have 3b equals to negative 4 plus with the 4a. Rewrite the situation 7 which is equals to 4a minus the b, second equation. So next what we have to do is to multiply the first equation with the 2. So we have the 22 equals to 4a plus with the 14b. So in here, we have the situation, first equation minus the second equation. So 22 minus the 7, then we will have 15 equals to 14b minus the b, so we have 15b. So b is equals to 1. Substitute b is equals to 1 into the second equation. So 7 equals to 4a minus the 1. So we have the 8 equals to 4a. So a is equals to 2. And b is equals to 1. So that is the value for a and the b. Hence, shows that fx is one-to-one function. So f bracket x sub 1 equals to f bracket x sub 2. Highly substitute 2x sub 1 plus with the 3 over x sub 1 minus 1 equals to 2x sub 2 plus with the 3 over x sub 2 minus the 1. So kindly cross multiply 2x sub 1 plus with the 3, x sub 2 minus with the 1 equals to 2x sub 2 plus with the 3, and then we have x sub 1 minus the 1. To kindly expand, we have 2x sub 1 x sub 2 minus the 2x sub 1 plus with the 3x sub 2 minus the 3 equals to 2x sub 1 x sub 2 minus the 2x sub 2 and then plus 3x sub 1 minus the 3. So notice that here we will have 0. This one we also have 0. Rewrite the situation, 3x sub 2 and then plus 2x sub 2. 3x sub 1 plus we have the 2x sub 1. So 5x sub 2 equals to 5x sub 1. So x sub 2 equals to x sub 1. So since x sub 1 equals to x sub 2, then we can say fx is one-to-one function. Then we already shown the situation. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.